My name is Mark. I work for Ascent, and today we're taking a look at what's new in Creo Parametric 11, specifically the Extrapolate command that has been added to the extend function in Creo. We'll first take a look at what options were available in Creo 10, and then how this functionality works in Creo 11. Here we have an example of a surface, a contoured surface created in Creo 10. If we go to extend and select one of those edges, under the options menu, there's three different subtypes: same, tangent, and approximate to extend the surface. In the Creo 11 example, we can take the same surface, extend the edge of the surface to whatever distance we require up to a limit. Here we have over 100 is not working, but less than 100 is, and that's because the method is set to same for extend. If we set it to tangent or approximate, we'll get similar results, but the new option is extrapolate. Extrapolate will allow us to go past that 100 and allow us to create a smooth transition surface, replacing the original surface if necessary, creating a B-spline or spline surface within Creo. Basically allowing us to expand our options when extending the surface past a certain boundary. If one isn't working, we have the freedom to be able to use enough to be able to get the desired surfaces that we require.